All right, gang. Another gutter cleaning done. Went and got my yard sign. It's been here since last year when I cleaned them. I can't believe when I came back, the yard sign was still here, which is a positive, and I'll take it. But anyways, appreciate you guys for being here. Brett Patrick with Gutter Cleaner U. Just got done. It is a Friday afternoon. A couple of jobs knocked out and ready to finish this day up. Go see my wife and little baby girl. Anyways, I wanted to pop on here real quick, man. I was up on the roof. I kind of just listen to podcasts on a regular basis. And something that I've been kind of on here recently is a subject called Stoicism. Specifically, Marcus Aurelius's meditations, which is his own personal kind of diary that he was writing back in the day. I don't know if people were intended to see it, but anyways, something that was talked about in this particular podcast that I was listening to, again, the subject was on Stoicism, but I don't know if this is necessarily that, but essentially, the guy was talking to the podcaster about starting up a business, and he says when starting a business, it just feels like a big deal. It feels like an identity. It feels like, this life-altering event, and if it doesn't work out, it is crushing to people. And obviously, this weight is why people don't end up starting a business to begin with. And I understand the feeling. I am doing that. I know what it feels like. It is a scary thing. But what the other person, the guest on the podcast, talked about was, don't do that. Let's minimize the feeling of starting a business to something that is a little bit more realistic and attainable. And he says, rather than considering this a life-altering event, consider it an experiment. And I thought that was amazing. He's like, just consider it a 2-year experiment. You're going to take the next 2 years to start and grow a gutter cleaning business. If it works out, great. If it doesn't, it's no big deal. It was just an experience. It's not your identity. It's not this massive weight that's on your shoulders. And if you can view it that way, I think taking the first step, that action towards it, is going to be a little bit more attainable for you. And an analogy they kind of gave towards it is like, you're living your life now, right? And you're wearing your clothes. And you go to your closet and you want to change your wardrobe. You want to put something new on. And this would represent, starting a new business. Well, once you go in, you open the closet, you see your different choices, you make one, you put that shirt on. If for whatever reason you don't like the way the shirt looks, the way it fits, it's just not feeling comfortable, whatever it is, you can take that shirt off and put back on the shirt that you already had. And you can do that same thing with your life and a business. For whatever reason, if you go out and you start it and it's not going the way that you intended, or it's not becoming successful, or you're not cut out to be a business owner, all you have to do is, in your mind, say, okay, that experiment is over. I'm going to go back doing to what I already know that I've had success in, which you're currently doing now, and then you move on from it. But the thing about it is, you'll probably be a much better version of yourself. You'll be more experienced. You'll probably have gained some knowledge that you didn't have before, and just view life that way. I guess don't make things such a big deal. Don't make them this life-altering event. It is a big deal, and yes, starting a business, there's going to be some risk and some vulnerability. There's a good likelihood if you start it and it doesn't work out, you may lose some money, but that's part of it. And what do you want to do? Do you want to live your life with regret and remorse that you never chased your dreams or took the stab or took the chance to do the thing? Or do you want to chase that, scratch that itch, and it potentially work out? And if it doesn't, at least you have the experience, the knowledge, and the ability to say that you did it. You know that you actually took that leap of faith to try it, right? So I hope this message was encouraging to you guys to take that leap of faith, adjust the way that you look at it in your mind. You do not have to go cold turkey 100% into starting a business. It can be a side hustle. Even if you have a job now that's pretty demanding, you can find a way to start this bad boy up and get some side money coming in the beginning until you're ready to go full bore. And if you're ready to go full bore, this is one of those career paths where if you're willing to put in the work, you can make over $10,000 the first month. And that's what I did with my business. I went out there, I knocked doors, door hangers, asked for referrals, posted on social media as much as I possibly could, but it is a reality. It is not one where it takes 6, 7, 8 months to build up a pipeline. Now, if you're not going to go knock doors and do some proactive marketing, then it may take a little while longer to get stuff going. But this is one career path that you can kind of jumpstart quickly. You can go out and knock doors today and make a couple sales if you have the skill set that are necessary. If you don't know, you can watch some of my other videos. But Anyways, guys, thank you for being here. I appreciate you so much. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, commenting, liking stuff, and just let me know what your thoughts are, where you're at with it, or some feedback on for me, some stuff that you think I could do better on, or some content that you want me to post. Hop in a Telegram group, send a link below. Check out Gutter Cleaner U. I got some products in there for you guys. I appreciate you so much, and let's grow this bad boy. You know, as always, baby, keep them clean.